We'll guide you through how to change floor in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve their photo editing skills and create more realistic or visually appealing images. Changing a floor in Photoshop is useful for interior design mockups, creative projects, and social media content. It also helps beginners learn selection tools, perspective adjustment, and basic image manipulation techniques. First, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer, then type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar and click Open when the program appears. To begin learning how to change the floor in Photoshop, make sure you have prepared an image of a room along with a separate floor texture image that you want to use. Next, click File in the top left corner of the screen, then choose Open, or press Ctrl O on your keyboard to access your files. Select the image you want to edit and click Open to load it into the workspace. After the image is opened, click the Lasso Tool icon from the toolbar, then choose the Polygonal Lasso Tool, which is recommended for beginners because it is easier to control. Carefully select the floor area you want to change by clicking along the edges of the floor until the entire section is fully outlined and connected. Once you finish making the selection, insert the new floor texture by clicking File again and choosing Place Embedded. Select the floor texture image you want to use, then click Place to add it onto your project. After placing the texture, match its perspective with the room by clicking Edit, then choosing Transform and selecting Distort. Adjust the corners and edges of the texture so it aligns naturally with the floor perspective, then press Enter to apply the transformation. Next, improve the appearance by adjusting the contrast. Click Image, go to Adjustments, and select Brightness/Contrast to open the adjustment window. When the window appears, you can manually adjust the brightness and contrast levels until the floor looks realistic, or simply click Auto for a quick automatic correction. Once you are satisfied with the result, click OK to apply the changes and complete the process. Finally, save your edited image by clicking File, then Save As, choosing your preferred format, and selecting a location on your computer for future use or sharing online with others easily and efficiently without losing quality or details.